The other Somerset and Dorset, the one that Beeching didn't close, runs through the heart of Wessex, the old kingdom of the West Saxons. The line... Departing platform 2, we run alongside one of the 5-car class 444 Desiro electrics, built by Siemens in Vienna and introduced by South West Trains in 2004. Our Class 150 was built by British Rail Engineering in the mid-1980s to replace first-generation DMUs. This is Dorchester Junction, where we part company with the Waterloo Main Line, which curves to the east to serve Dorchester South Station, opened in 1847 by the Southampton and Dorchester Railway, just a year before becoming a part of the LSWR. This is the route followed in our Wessex driver's eye view. This is Fronton Tunnel, 1,100 yards long. And during this time, the 1041 from Gloucester arrives with a token from Yeovil Pen Mill, prompting Ian to contact the signalman.
Driver of 2 Echo 24, Maiden Newton. I wish to withdraw the Maiden Newton Yeovil Pen Mill token, please.
Understood, driver at 2 Echo 24, you may withdraw the Maiden Newton to Yeovil Pen Mill token.
This train has 2 coaches.
One Charlie 83 is the 1218 from Paddington to Taunton. The diagram reminds signallers that platform 3 is quite short. The station still retains many traditional features. Located to the east of the town with its population in the order of 25,000, the robustly constructed wooden overall roof has provided a welcome shelter for passengers for well over a century and a half, the station having opened in 1850 from Westbury as the terminus of the line for the next 6 years. Fairwood Junction sees the divergence of another avoiding line, this one bypassing Westbury. Construction was completed in 1933. What is that on the horizon, you may ask? It's the Westbury White Horse, the oldest of a dozen or so horses in Wiltshire. It's on Westbury Hill on the edge of the Bratton Downs. It's good to see a large railway freight yard still in full use, something that not so long ago would have been seen all over the railway network. Westbury is supported by 2 sizable train crew depots. First Great Western, based in the station for passenger trains, and DB Schenker, based in the yard for freight, being mainly the bulk limestone trains serving the 2 Mendip quarries. Therefore, here we cross the river on the approach to Bradford-on-Avon. Following Greenland Mill automatic half-barrier crossing, we enter Bradford Tunnel, a mere 159 yards long. Due to financial difficulties halting work on the line, this fine traditional station was actually completed over 9 years before the first train arrived. The town dates from the Roman occupation and takes its name from the broad ford that once crossed the river here. The river provided the power for the wool mills that gave the town its wealth. Being located before a long sweeping curve, the signal for Hampton Junction is set unusually far back. It was relocated here as a result of its awful SPAD history. FGW had to obtain a derogation to move it, as signalling regulations would not normally allow a signal to be this far from a junction it protects. The approach to Bath is alongside a high retaining wall on one side and Sydney Gardens on the other. We pass through Sydney Gardens East and West tunnels, 77 yards and 99 yards long respectively. This is the second tunnel. The first was 1,017 yards, this is 154 yards. Following the tunnel, we passed the site of St Anne's Park Station from 1898 to 1970. There was a third tunnel here until it was opened out in 1889.